Zendaya looked absolutely incredibly when she rocked a completely cut out sheer gown for the Dune premiere after party. If there's one thing for sure about Zendaya, 25, it is that she always slays in her outfits, no matter what she's wearing. That's exactly what she did when she attended the after party for the Dune premiere in London on October 18. Zendaya stunned in a custom brown Nensi Dojaka Spring 2022 gown with a plunging cutout bodice and sheer skirt. The bodice of the dress featured a halter neck with spaghetti straps, a plunging V-neckline, and a massive cutout on her tiny waist. Around the bodice was a red heart, while the side of the dress was also wide open. The bottom half of the dress was made up of a sheer skirt that had a hip-high slit on the side, revealing her toned legs, which she accentuated with brown leather pumps. Related gallery. Dune premiere, photos of Zendaya, Jason Momoa and more. Earlier that night, Zendaya looked just as good on the red carpet when she donned a white sequin Ricohen's Gethsemane dress. The fitted gown featured one long sleeve and a high-ruched neck, while the skirt flared out and flowed into a long train behind her. Zendaya accessorized her sparkly look with a pair of Bulgari stud earrings and Bulgari rings. Zendaya has been slaying her Dune press looks and her outfits just keep getting better. Just the other day she attended a photo call in London when she rocked a Vivienne Westwood ensemble featuring a cropped bronze chainmail top with a red and white checkered silk midi skirt. She topped her look off with Bulgari jewels and a pair of nude Christian Louboutin Socate pumps.